Hey guys, and we are back officially with another video. No voiceover today, just me. So hopefully you don't hate me and you like listening to me talk on camera. But I currently have my hair in some braids. They're not really cornrows to me, they're kind of like huge plaits that I did. And I was asking if some of you guys may have wanted a video. But this is my hair. I did 3 on both sides. So I have 6 braids in total. Just to keep my hair out of my face. And keep it in a way that it's like nice and moisturized. So I'm actually going to redo my hair. I'm not exactly sure if I want to keep it like this. I'm thinking about actually doing it. And I have been thinking about doing some, what are they called? Flat twists. But styling it in a way that I can wear it out, you know what I mean? So, we're going to try and figure that out. But let's get into the video and let's figure this out. I don't really think we'll need to talk at any point anymore. So, I'll let you guys enjoy some nice music. And yep. everyone, and so we finished our hair. So you know, in the beginning of the video I sectioned off a big piece because I wanted it to gonna be like a bang, but I think I might probably do that another day. This time I ended up just doing 2 in the front, just like I did 2. Oh. And I did 2 on the side. Move that. But I did 2 flat twists right here, and I did 2 flat twists going down in the front, and then I basically twisted everything else. But I think maybe a few days from now I'll end up going through the hair again and making them smaller, but at least they're nice and sectioned for now, and they're kind of big. But so it looks like from the back. And probably later tonight or tomorrow I'll probably go in and put some olive oil on my roots, just to keep my hair moisturized. It actually didn't take me that long, probably about like an hour or so, and I stopped halfway in because my sister ended up coming here and I was talking to her. So but let me just go over some of the products that I use. So I use the Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner. I have bought a lot of this, so I'm going to be using this for the time being. But this works really well to keep my hair soft. And I know about Cantu, I know about Shea Moisture too. I do want, my friend actually makes hair products, and I am going to buy her products. But I was just finishing up these. It's not a lot left in here, so I'll just finish it. And then I have some gel, Cantu gel, that I don't really use. When I have tried to use my wash and go, I did do that, but I don't really normally do wash and go, so I might give it away to my roommate because she also uses Cantu anyways. And then in this bottle, it's not Do Grow, guys, at all. It's extra virgin olive oil. I use that on my ends, and I was using coconut oil throughout my hair. I do not use castor oil anymore because my hair is way too thick, and if I kept using castor oil, I will have a bush on my head, literally. And then while I was doing my hair, I was combing, so I have this comb, and it's been through a lot because I have a lot of hair. So it's gonna pull out the teeth in the comb. That's what we call it, teeth. But everything was going nice and well, and then I started combing through my hair, and it just broke. Just because like I said, I have a lot of hair, and I ended up going in sometimes at one point with my denim brush, and then maybe doing this more on my ends. My friend always told me that, you know, your hair, you should use the small ends because it kind of gets more knots out, versus using like a wide toothed comb. It doesn't really get everything out, which is also why a denim brush is good too. But I use that, and you'll see that I do LCO instead of LOC. So I do leave-in conditioner, curling cream, and then oil to seal it. I seal my hair with oil all the time. And this is the finished look, the finished product, and I really like it. So it's getting really, really hot, and I need to turn back on my fan before I pass out. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. A really quick hair tutorial, and I really hope that you guys enjoy it. Like my makeup, kind of off the top of my head. This was something along the lines of what I was imagining, but instead more here. Because I really wanted it to be kind of like a bang, but I'm kind of content with how it is now because it's not in my face, and I don't need it in my face because it's too hot to have hair in your face, and that's how you get pimples anyways. So I'd rather just keep it here. And as you can guys see how long my hair is, yeah, the shrinkage is real. Look at this. But yeah. So really hope you guys enjoy this quick hair tutorial, and I'm actually going to come back with another surprise. I might bring you guys some makeup, but it depends because it's too hot in here. I don't know if I can survive. But anyways, I'll see you guys later, okay? Ciao!